Most businesses know that they need an Instagram account, but they have no idea why, and they especially have no idea how to grow one and then how to make money from it. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can approach those businesses and make a bunch of money, get them to pay you a bunch of money to grow their Instagram account and help them make sales with their Instagram account. All right, so this is my last video in the Instagram hack series of videos that I've been dropping. And so if you've watched all of the previous ones, you're ready for this video. If you haven't watched all the previous videos, you really should go watch those before you watch this one, because all of those lead up to what I'm talking about in this video, which is how you can help other companies grow their Instagrams and make sales through their Instagrams, and how you can get paid quite a bit of money for helping other companies do that. Because like I said in the intro, most companies nowadays know that they need an Instagram, but they don't know exactly why, and they definitely don't know how to grow one and make money from it. So if you figure that out, you can step up and help them, and they'll be extremely willing to pay you for those services. But that requires that you have actually built an Instagram before and have made sales through an Instagram. And that's what all of my other previous videos are about. How you can start from zero, from nothing, from brand new account to thousands of followers built around a specific niche that you can now sell products, services, affiliate market to, etc. So if you haven't watched the previous videos, if you haven't learned how to grow an Instagram account and how to monetize an Instagram account, then go learn that and then come back to this video, because it's really pointless to go and try and sell an Instagram growth service to a company if you've never actually done it before. So that's step number one to this, let's say, is actually learn all the previous steps that I've laid out in my previous videos. Learn how to start an Instagram, grow a following, and then monetize your Instagram account. All right, so for those of you who know what's up and have been following and are ready for this video, let's dive into it. So once you've actually grown an Instagram account and have monetized it, and you've proven it to yourself, and you actually have proof that you can show people, you're in a position now to sell your Instagram services, sell your skill set as a service to another company or another person that needs help growing their Instagram. So at this point, it really just becomes a game of finding someone who needs those services and getting them to pay you for them. So there's a bunch of different ways that you can actually do that. One is like word of mouth, friends and family, which you can start there. It's personally not my favorite. I'm much more interested in getting a stranger to pay me for my services, because if I can get a stranger to do it, it's really likely that I can repeat that over and over again. If it's friends and family, oftentimes, they're more prone to do us a favor, so to speak. And so that might be a little bit more difficult to duplicate and continue on with. So I'm more interested in strangers, but you can start with friends and family. The next place I would say you can go is just into local businesses, right? You could even jump, say, on Groupon, for example, or if you notice, like on Instagram or Facebook, a local business is advertising to you, then you know that that is a business that's spending on advertising, and you could go walk in and approach them and start talking about the services that you offer. Or like I mentioned, you can use Groupon and go there and set it to your local area, and you can see any companies that are running like huge discounts, and then you could go approach those companies and say, hey, I see that you're spending or you're discounting whatever to get these sales and get these deals on Groupon. What if I could grow an Instagram following for you and you could sell directly to those followers? Would you be interested in that? Here's my services. So you can do like a little bit of research like that and kind of see who's spending on advertising in your local area. You could email them, you could walk into their shops. That's one place to start. Another thing you can do is go to websites, freelance websites like Upwork.com. I even still use Upwork.com. It's a good place to get clients. Fiverr is another place, and there's probably people on there specifically searching for help with growing their Instagram account or monetizing their Instagram account. So you could go to Upwork.com or Fiverr.com, sign up as a freelancer. On your profile, list your services, and then in your portfolio, show the Instagram accounts that you've grown, and you could search out people on those websites that are looking for help with growing and or monetizing their Instagram accounts. Another thing you could do is build a new Instagram account around your Instagram services. So you start a new Instagram account using what you already know, all those skills, you build a following on that account, and you could be selling your Instagram services through that account. Then the last thing that I want to touch on is you can run ads, Instagram ads, Facebook ads that, run them to your website where, and maybe you build out, a good looking website where you have a social media marketing agency that's expertise lie in Instagram growth and Instagram monetization. So there's several different ways you can go about getting clients and finding people that need help with growing and monetizing an Instagram. But I promise you that if you've actually learned and have actually grown and monetized an Instagram account and then use these tactics to go find people and you're able to present them with proof that you can actually do this, you will find people that will pay you to grow and monetize their Instagrams. Because, like I said, pretty much every business right now is aware of and knows that they should have an Instagram account and that they should be growing a following. They know that much, but the rest of it they don't know. And that's where you can step in and be extremely valuable for them. And if you're able to provide them value, they'll pay you for that. All right, guys, so that's it. That's the last video in this Instagram hack series of videos. Hope it's been super helpful for you. Let me know in the comments anything that maybe I didn't cover that I still should cover, and I'll do that. So make sure you're subscribed, enable notifications, drop me some comments. Talk soon.